What's up, One Stop Watches? And today I have a big belch coming. I can actually channel Boops on command, so here's a big belch that I'm about to channel. So just give me a second. And yeah, that's all this is. It's just a big belch. No, that was bad. Was that big enough? One more. Here's a bonus. Yeah, I don't know how to edit sounds in yet. Well, I have some minor editing in some of my videos, but it's not like videos like jump cuts or like having like text on the screen. But yeah, I don't really know how to edit that well. I don't know how to edit belches that good. I know it just doesn't seem like I'm burping, but I am. So yeah, all of these you've heard. All real. I can channel a belch. I know some people can't. I'm like, they ask me how you channel a burp, and I'm like, I don't know, man. I just do it. If it's just like whistling or snapping, you can do it or you can't, or like armpit farts. It's one of my talents. I can channel a belch on command, I guess. Well, what's that talent? I also haven't drank anything. I had some like kikis and that's about it. If you don't know what a kiki is, you'll watch the Kiki versus Dog versus Mamba video and then you'll understand. Anyway, I'm gonna give you guys a belch out.